Imagine a world where ants become the ultimate matchmakers. In fragmented habitats, some ant species have developed a quirky way to maintain biodiversity. They create ant highways, tiny, bustling pathways that connect isolated patches of forest. These highways allow plants to spread their seeds far and wide, hitching a ride on the ants' backs. This unexpected teamwork helps maintain plant diversity, even when habitats are broken up. It's like a tiny ant version of a dating app, ensuring plants find their perfect match. Who knew ants could be such romantic heroes? Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.